Hare Krishna. So now you can buy the Krishnadharian recipe book by going on the website and choosing the option you desire of either buying in India, which directs you to the Indian Amazon link, and outside India, which redirects you to the other website where the book is available in various formats which you can choose as per your preference. Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krishnadharian way of cooking. I know I haven't been able to post any video the last week, and some of you messaged me asking when I will be posting the next video. So life has been busy and the schedule has been tight, so this is one of the reasons why I don't have the time that much in hand to edit videos. But yes, I will surely try my best to come up with new videos as much as possible. I have a lot of things to share with you, especially with respect to recipes. So here, if you see, today's recipe is actually this amazing bounty bars which I made, and they are not made with the cocoa chocolate. They are actually made with carob and cocoa butter, which is white chocolate. So without wasting any time, let's look into the recipe. So first of all, we are going to prepare the coconut filling. So in this skillet, which I have kept on medium heat, I have added around 1.5 cups of almond milk. Now this almond milk was already vanilla flavored with also sugar involved in it. So cane sugar was already present. So I'm going to add less sugar for the filling. So here I have added only half cup of sugar. If you are not using sweetened almond milk or like regular milk, if you're using, then use around 3/4 cups of sugar. Now I have added around 2 cups of desiccated coconut. Now this desiccated coconut was shredded. You can even powder this kind of desiccated coconut and add it. I did not do that, but you can do it just for ease of molding the entire filling. So I started cooking it on medium heat. A little bit the coconut should absorb the entire milk nicely. Once the coconut absorbs the milk, then I'm going to add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. Nicely mix well. Then I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of thick coconut cream. Like I said, you can use all the ingredients as non-vegan, and the color will be a little bit more whitish. Because of my almond milk, the color has turned a little bit like creamy. So once this entire thing is cooked and dry, then I will just turn off the stove and let this coconut filling cool down a little bit on room temperature. After the filling cooled down, then I added some water on my hand and then started rolling the coconut filling like this in cylindrical forms. So this is the reason why I was saying that if you are not comfortable with the desiccated shredded coconut, then you can just use a little bit powder form of the desiccated coconut, which will be easy for you to mold it. Every time you're making the rolls, just make sure to wet your pans. Now I stored this coconut rolls in the freezer for around 45 minutes to 1 hour. So I put the pot of water on heat, and then on top of that, this is a glass bowl which is oven proof. Make sure to use oven proof glass bowl only, that can handle the temperature. So because this entire recipe was vegan, I got this vegan bars. Now this is like around 2.5 cups of white cocoa bars which are vegan. And if you cannot find the vegan ones, which are very difficult to find, then you can just use regular white chocolate or white milky bar, which is easy to use. So this started melting because of the heat of the water. So now with the steam method, this will protect the chocolate to not get overcooked. So I have kept the heat of the pot on, but I have removed this out now because the entire chocolate melted. Now I added carob powder to it. So now carob powder, I started adding 1 tablespoon at a time. The reason why I added 1 tablespoon at a time, because you do not want this entire mixture to become too thick. This is not like cocoa chocolate. This is carob, so it has a different chemistry to it. Just add 1 tablespoon at a time and get the desired consistency you require. And then once it's mixed nicely, then you can again put it on the pot and steam it a little bit more so that it becomes again like smooth. So I think I have used around 4 to 5 tablespoons of carob powder here. And I also used a whisker just to have a smooth, very smooth kind of texture of the batter. Now I'll put this back on the pot to heat a little bit. This is the bars which are nice and firm now. So I'm going to just put them 1 roll at a time. Use a nice fork, which is easy because you can, or a spatula is also fine. And like this you can pick it up and then place it like this. You can heat the batter of this white chocolate and carob in between so you can get a smooth texture. Please make sure that you do not add any water or anything to this particular ingredient because carob solidifies with water. So do not try to use any easy fast trick like that. So after coating them, I also wanted to show that some of the bars I also added some rice crackers and some of them I added some nuts. That is why you can see they have this rice crackers a little bit here. Some of them have nuts. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for around 1 hour. Now you do not have to freeze them. This one you have to just refrigerate. So this is it. Our bars are ready. Very delicious they are, and you can hardly find a difference. One thing I wanted to mention is that in that carob and white chocolate mixture I also added some vanilla extract, which helped in easing off the earthy flavor of the carob. So here these bars have different kind of flavors. Some of them have rice crackers, some of them have the nuts, and some are regular ones. This is how lovely the entire bar looks like. It's a very good and healthy substitute you can give to your kids. Let me open and show it to you. This is how lovely it looks like from inside. So I'm going to place a tulsi leaf and offer this as the lotus feet of Shri Krishna. Hope you like this particular recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Hare Krishna.